Back to the charts with Big Boss Crypto, bringing you on a day trading analysis on Bitcoin and on Chainlink. The Binance CEO stepping down didn't have an effect on the Bitcoin price. Currently we're still at 37k. But what could happen next? Well, let's look at the charts. So CEO stepping down didn't have an effect on the Bitcoin price in the short term. As you can see, we're still hovering around the 38k area. We still haven't grabbed that volume candle which is present up to 39.6k. And I do think we'll have another pump to that volume candle, recovering all of the open orders which hasn't been filled. Fill those, and then we're gonna reverse to the downside. Because we have created this market maker structure. Double bottom formation, first leg up, first retrace, second leg up, second retrace, third and final leg up, which is where we're currently at. We still need to break this local low right here at 34.8k. If we get a daily candle close below that, I do think we can call that a double top. And the next target to the downside is, let me get that off. The next target to the downside is minimum to 29.9k, and yeah, we will have a kind of a reversal in 3 steps, and the target could be all the way down to 20k or even down to 17.3k if we get another black swan event, which could happen. Otherwise, I do think you could target 29.9k when we get a confirmation on this local low at 34.8k. That is when you theoretically go short, not financial advice. You do whatever you want to do. This is just for educational and entertainment purpose only. Looking at news events for this week, we have the consumer confidence coming out in a couple of hours. We have the GDP numbers coming out tomorrow, or on Wednesday, sorry, and tomorrow is consumer confidence. Sorry, messed that up. And then on Thursday we have core PC numbers and unemployment claims. So Thursday is kind of a big day, and Friday when Jerome Powell speaks. So the end of the week could be turbulent if we get some shocking news coming out from the unemployment claims or when Jerome Powell speaks. Other than that, kind of a slow week. Looking at the liquidation map, still a lot more money to the downside than it is to the upside. Closest cluster is here at 36.5k, and the next target for you is then at 32k, 30k, 28k, and down at 25k as well. To the upside, not much liquidity to be grabbed by the market maker. A bit of a cluster at 45k, but other than that, not so much money present to the upside. Make of this what you want. Now let's take a look at Chainlink. Chainlink is still looking alright in my opinion. We still have the same structure as we see on Bitcoin, so we need to break this local low right here at around $9 approximately. If we get a daily candle close below that point, it's kind of a confirmation of a double top formation. As you can see, it's much more clearer on the Chainlink chart than this on the Bitcoin chart. So wait for that before you place any shorts. Not financial advice, but you do whatever you want to do. After that, I think the next target to the downside could be down to $11.5. And as I said to you, we've been in a range, as I said to you previously, was meant to say, we've been in a range from $8.5 down to $6 for over a year. As you can see, we're in this range. Some breaks above, some breaks below, and we were in that zone and we broke out of it here on October 21st. Since then we've been kind of pumping to the upside, so I do want to see a retest. That would be healthy if we could test the $8.5 zone, load up, fill those open orders right here from the market maker, possibly even go to $7.5, and then from there load up to the upside. That is what I'm looking at least, but the closest volume candle to the downside is at $11.5. So when you see, you could see a double top formation, you could run a short to that point, not financial advice. And if we break that, we could go down to $8.5 minimum in the next impulsive wave to the downside. None of this was financial advice. I hope you learned something today, and see you in the next day trading update. Have a good one.